Alright guys, I'm here with the She-Hulk Attorney at Law Episode 7 review. So to give you a quick summary of this episode, last episode She-Hulk met a guy at a wedding that actually liked her as Jen and not as She-Hulk. And this episode kind of shows them getting along and having a bunch of cute moments as a couple. They end up sleeping together and then he ghosts her. So the episode is her kind of be like, okay, why is this guy not texting me back type deal. And in the middle of all this, she gets called to Emil Blonsky's compound, commune, retreat center, because it looks like his bracelet's going off, his ankle bracelet, saying that he's turned an abomination or done something bad. So his parole officer has Jen come with him for protection. Well, nothing's going on, so she's about to head back. Her car gets broke, and she's stuck there with no Wi-Fi signal. So this whole episode is kind of about her dealing with her insecurities of being ghosted, her insecurities of wanting to be liked as Jen and not as She-Hulk. And here's this guy who finally liked her as Jen, and he's gone. And it has this, kind of cool moment because it's all these weird Z-list characters sitting in a group therapy session, and She-Hulk kind of gets sucked into it. And her learning to accept herself. And one of her former villains is there. I know she hasn't had many, but it's one that tried to jump her the other night to take her blood. And it's a humorous episode. It's got some good character moments. It was probably one of my more favorite episodes. And we get a little ending, which it seems like they've taken the after credit stuff and just put it on the end of the episode instead of after the credits. They just, put it right at the end. Something that seems like it should be an after credits, where we find out that he didn't ghost her. He actually was stealing her blood some way. I don't know how he stole it while she slept, but he stole her data on her phone, and then there was some emojis that seemed to indicate that he got blood from She-Hulk. So that was kind of predictable. I kind of saw that coming. I think a lot of people did. But it is indicating that there's a greater thread in the next. I think we only got 2 more episodes. I think, the show is not for everyone. If you're looking for the standard MCU stuff, you're not going to like this. If you're wanting something that you're open to a little more sitcom type stuff, a little bit more lighthearted, something that deals with issues pertaining to women, this might be the show for you. But it's definitely not going to be something that hits all the marks for everyone, especially if you wanted something like me where I wanted something more weird legal drama type things. But it's finding its feet. The question is it at only a couple episodes left, is it too little, too late? It's really going to depend on how it sticks the landing or not. So let me know what you're thinking about this, if you think it can redeem itself in the last couple episodes, or if you think this show is kind of a lost cause. We'll see what happens. Thanks for listening.